its pleasures did tempt me to stray. I saw not the danger that lurked on the way. The toils closed around me, I knew no release, but Jesus has found me and given me his peace. Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner, and get right with God.
Hello. Welcome to Poetry Love Media, where we share Christ-centered content to your screen. I just want to give you a quick update and an encouragement of my gardening journey, and those who may be doing this on your own for the first time. Feel free to watch this video. I am not an expert in gardening. In fact, I came a long way and I'm still growing and learning by his grace. But I just want to show you a quick update what has been my third year of growing season thus far. So stay tuned. All right, so I'll give you a quick update of the gardening journey so far. And so we got here squash pushing through. Just a quick update to share. And if you haven't already, you're encouraged to get a copy of the gardening planner. Starting from the seedlings to transplanting to harvest. Definitely a handy book to get at Amazon. I had started using it already, just to give you an idea what it looks like. And yeah, it helps you stay organized in your gardening journey. And when I think of Jesus, who was the gardener, the chief gardener, it's such a rewarding work, because it's good to know that you could put something with effort, time, and patience. So definitely a learning lesson for all of us. And I hope your gardening journey has been flourishing. Feel free to keep me posted. You could write it in the chat box. That's it. So thanks for tuning in, and may God bless you, and bye for now. Hello. So I hope you were blessed by that short video on my gardening update. I just want to share with us an encouraging word taken from Luke chapter 12, verses 27 to 28. And it says, "Consider the lilies, how they grow. They toil not, they spin not. And yet I say unto you, that Solomon in all his glory was not arrayed like one of these. If then God so clothed the grass, which is today in the field, and tomorrow is cast into the oven, how much more will he clothe you, O ye of little faith?" And so when I think of how God is so mindful and how he takes care of us, when we look at the garden, when we look at the trees and the fields, and just how everything is clothed and arrayed and taken care of, God takes care of everything that he created. It's amazing how he reminds us through nature that he takes care of his children. And so no matter what you're going through, just know that God takes care of you. All right? So hope you're blessed. God bless you. Thanks for tuning in, and bye for now. If you are new to this channel, feel free to subscribe. If you'd like to order a copy of the gardening planner to kickstart your journey in the gardening season, feel free to visit Amazon and purchase your copy today. Thanks again. God bless you.
Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner,